Welcome to the world of Python programming. Today, we're diving into the absolute must-know tools that unlock Python's true power. Python is already powerful, but its real magic and versatility come from its extensive collection of libraries. These libraries extend Python's functionality, transforming it from a simple scripting language into a powerhouse for data science, web development, and artificial intelligence. Here are the top 5 Python libraries that every programmer should know to succeed in today's tech landscape. First up is NumPy, the foundational backbone of numerical computing in Python. It's the first tool you need for speed and precision. NumPy allows you to handle massive datasets with incredible speed, which is crucial for modern scientific and mathematical calculations. Its primary uses include working with arrays and matrices, performing scientific calculations, and serving as the essential foundation for many other high-level libraries. Next, we have Pandas, the go-to library that makes data analysis easy and enjoyable. Pandas is brilliant at turning messy, raw data, often from CSV or Excel files, into clean, readable tables called data frames, giving you ultimate data control. It excels at reading files, cleaning and transforming data, and is indispensable for all forms of data analysis and reporting. Third, meet Matplotlib. Because raw numbers are boring, this library is the king of data visualization. Matplotlib turns abstract data into visual stories you can easily understand and share. Use it to create line charts, bar graphs, and pie charts for compelling data storytelling in your reports and dashboards. Moving to the future, TensorFlow is the library where Python meets artificial intelligence. This Google-backed library is the world's most popular framework for building intelligent systems. TensorFlow is used for building machine learning models, deep learning, neural networks, and applications like image and speech recognition. Finally, we have Flask, the go-to choice for lightweight web development. Flask allows you to build powerful web applications and APIs with minimal code and maximum flexibility. Its use cases span everything from simple web applications and APIs to building dashboards and robust backend services. And there you have it, the top 5 Python libraries that are essential for modern programming. From handling data to building AI and creating web experiences, these libraries are what power today's technology. Master them, and Python can take you anywhere. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, comment which Python library you use most, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials.